A long time ago, a giant tower from space pierced the sky and crash-landed into the Earth. The impact devastated the world and released all sorts of creatures to pillage the lands. Over time, civilization has managed to recover from the tower's impact. However, monsters still roam the wilderness. Now that the world is strong enough to fight against the monsters, their curiosity focuses on the tower implanted in the ground. It has been left alone all this time, and now people are seeking to uncover the mysteries encased inside. Introducing Project Liskov. Begin your journey to the tower in a fast-paced matching game that can be played with up to 4 players together. Playing as one of the many adventurers seeking fame and riches, face against a variety of dangerous creatures and earn high scores to climb up the leaderboards. Hello everyone, this is Team Liskov. We are a group of students tasked with creating a game for our computer science class. We have been working on this game for the past 4 months, and we're here to present the current iteration. Well then, let's begin by looking at our menu. Tapping press to play on either of the 4 quadrants initiates the game. Tapping the I button summons the info menu, and tapping quit does with the game as you'd expect. The info menu displays credits, but more importantly, the ability to access the options menu is available here. Here, users will be able to adjust volume levels as needed. By default, volume is maximized so that administrators can set maximum volume thresholds on their respective machines. In-game volume levels can only go down from here. Users can also view and interact with the scoreboard. You see that little admin button in the corner down there? Consider this a sort of no looky, no touchy, unless you're an admin, of course. Still, the menu is password protected, so the rebels among us with prying eyes can stick to matching. I know what you're all thinking. How in the world do we play this amazing game? Well, the goal of the game is to defeat enemies by matching cards on the board. To create a match, press and hold at least 2 cards with the same color and icon, then let go. Making a match deals damage to the enemy, adds some extra time, and increases your team's score. The effect is stronger if you matched more cards at once. Now, if you manage to defeat enough enemies, a boss will appear. Bosses are much stronger than regular enemies, but they give a huge score bonus when defeated. However, if you take too long to defeat an enemy, they will attack you. If you take too much damage, it is game over. Additional players can join at any time by tapping press to play during gameplay. Let's see all of this in action. Once a game is over, you can add your team to the leaderboards, restart the game, or quit to the main menu. Let us take a moment to reflect on our journey. One of the biggest issues considered was the need to learn technologies completely new to us. No one on the team was very familiar with using Unity or GitHub, but with team communication and assistance, we managed to become acquainted with most of the functions of the software, though there were still rare situations that caused serious issues, such as when a Unity file got corrupted due to a bad code merge. Overall, the team's ability to quickly understand and adapt to using new technology has been commendable, and members were able to assist each other with issues using the software. Now, where do we go from here? The current iteration of the game incorporates all the basic functionalities required, which can further be updated to support new content and mechanics. We've ensured the core functionality is there, but there are many things that could be planned for future development. For instance, new levels can be added. Players could enter new areas to face different enemies and obstacles, and discover new things about the game. Difficulty can be adjusted. From newcomers to experienced players, being able to tune the difficulty can ensure any person, regardless of skill level, can enjoy the game. And lastly, new modifiers can be introduced. To spice up the matching gameplay, we can introduce new modifiers that alter how matching works against some enemies. For example, we could flip over some cards to make it harder to match them, or we could require players to make larger matches to deal damage against certain enemies. We hope that you enjoyed this short presentation and hope that you enjoy the game just as much, if not more. Thanks for watching.